Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Stevens, another math talk. I have really been thinking about you all a lot and I want you to help me find some cool patterns. So, first of all, let's look at these. What do you notice? Could you recreate this pattern by drawing it maybe in your math book or your journal? What's the sum of each domino? Is there a pattern? Why is that happening? What about all together? Could you figure out how many are on the green? How many on the black? How many all together? Can you tell me, is there more than one strategy you could use to tell me how many there are all together? Next one. Juniper kind of messed this one up. This one's kind of interesting. Tell me about what you see here. What pattern did I create with the dominoes here? Juniper, what do you see? Do you notice any patterns with the sum of each domino? Do you notice any patterns in the top and then in the bottom? How many total dots are in the top row? How many total dots in the second row? And then how many altogether? What if this pattern continued and you could have more than 6 on a domino? So this next one would have how many here? 6 here, 7 here. What would the 10th domino in this pattern have on it? What would all the dots add up to if there was 10 in this set? I hope you see some really cool patterns. Write them down, talk to someone about them. Take care, see you next time.